Welcome back to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Today, we'll be looking at the top 4 free online sites that you can use as a self-published author to edit your work. First up is Grammarly. Grammarly provides a free service and they also provide a paid service online. Whilst there are some limitations to the free service provided by Grammarly, the free help provided is extremely useful. But if you have the funds and you want a more advanced edit, you should feel free to purchase a plan from Grammarly. Next up is Paper Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Paper provides a basic editing service, but it's not as in-depth as Grammarly, but it's still useful. Now we're going to look at Hemingway Editor. I found in my self-publishing journey that Hemingway has provided great assistance in showing what should be fixed. It doesn't always tell you how to fix it, but it definitely alerts you to an error being present in your work. Definitely worth using. Another great online editor is Writer.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Writer.com is actually my preferred free editor for several reasons. Firstly, it allows for larger text to be inserted and to be edited, therefore saving you a lot of time. In addition to this, it provides suggestions to help make your work better, something that the other online editors does not provide for free. Since there are more than one free online editing tools, I recommend that you use more than one. Explore the tools to ensure that you get the best version of your book. Because at the end of the day, it never hurts to get a second opinion. And it's available online for free. So why not use it? Now you are aware of the free online editing tools available for self-published authors. So explore it and discover what works best for you and your style of writing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Click the notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos.